Alright guys, we're going to do a startup after sitting for so long. It's got old fuel in it, so probably why it ain't running too hot. Yeah. All down our bird poop windows. Come on. Okay, now it's running. It's got a new sending unit in it, so. Watch out for the skid steer in Jules's car. Oh, this thing's snappy, holy freight. It's got power. Careful not to run into any rocks here now. We just had the body work done. There we go. Sounds good. Runs amazing. Looks pretty darn good too. Oh yeah, look at all that. Holy freight. That's just from revving it. All the water that flew out of there. See if we can get that on video. Dang. Dripping. Get all that garbage out of there. Oh yeah, I love this truck. Looks sick. That is for sure. Dang. Alright. Peace out. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment too.